Good morning, student. Today we are going to start our next chapter, The Starting Point. It was the autobiography of athlete Milkha Singh. Before starting the lesson, we will know about Milkha Singh. Milkha Singh, also known as the Flying Sikh, is a former Indian track and field sprinter. Runner. Sprinter means runner. Milkha Singh is also known as the name of Flying Sikh. He represented India in the Commonwealth Games in 1958 and the Summer Olympic Games of 1956, 1960 and 1964. As a child, he used to run 10 kilometers to school and back. So running long distances came naturally to him. In his youth, he joined the army, where he was introduced to running as a sport. Having found his calling on the track, Milkha Singh went on to win several accolades for India at various international events. Milkha Singh won many medals for India. He is the best remembered for his fourth place finish in the 400 meters final at 1960 Olympic Games. In 1960s Olympic, Milkha Singh got the fourth position in 400 meter race. His fourth place time of 45 minutes 73 seconds became the Indian national record then and was held for almost 40 years. Milkha Singh completed that race in 45 minutes 73 seconds and then it became the Indian national record and was held for almost 40 years. For 40 years, nobody can break that record. Now, let's start the chapter. This chapter is in first person. I in this chapter is Milkha Singh because this chapter is taken from his book, The Race of My Life. Now, let's start the chapter. Three fortunate incidents that occurred in January 1953 when I was a new recruit in the army changed the course of my life. I was Milkha Singh. Milkha Singh is saying when he was a new recruit a person who has recently joined the armed forces. When Milkha Singh recently joined the army, three incidents occurred in his life in 1953 and they changed the path of his life. After the morning roll call one Saturday, there was an announcement that a 6-mile race was to be held the next morning. One Saturday, after the morning roll call means attendance. After the morning attendance, there had an announcement that there was a 6-mile race next day. All 500 recruits would participate in this event and this race for all the 500 new soldiers. The top 10 would be exempted from fatigue duty and be given a glass of milk every day during the training period. And the top 10 contestants who got the first 10 place in that race, they were free from the fatigue duty like cleaning and washing, and they also given a glass of milk every day during the training period. The next morning, we reported at the starting line wearing canvas shoes, vests and khaki shorts. Now the writer is saying, next morning they reached the starting line to wear canvas shoes, vest and a khaki shorts. The whistle blew and we set off. When the whistle blew, they started to run, filled with a sense of mission. A sense of mission means a feeling that we are doing a very important task. I ran as fast as I could. The writer ran as fast as he could. The reward of getting a glass of milk was a big treat for me, and the aim of the writer was to get a glass of milk because it was a big treat for him, as he had suffered great want and deprivation in my childhood. Great want and deprivation means the poet belonged to a poor family, and getting a glass of milk was a big deal for him. I took the lead. Now in the race, the writer took the lead. In the first 2 or 3 miles, the writer take the lead in first 2 or 3 miles. I would rest a while if I felt tired and then run again when I saw others catching up. The writer take rest while he felt he was tired and start running again when he saw other recruits are chasing him. Luck was with me that day and I finished sixth in the race. And the writer was very lucky. He got the sixth position in the race. The names of the 10 recruits who qualified were announced before a large gathering of almost 300 people. 10 recruits who qualified. Their names are announced before a large gathering. Almost 300 people are present there. Friends, even strangers, wildly applauded and thumped me on my back, shouting Shabbas, and everyone was happy and everyone was praising the writer, saying Shabbas. I was quite overwhelmed by the attention and appreciation. The writer was also very happy by the attention which he getting by strangers and friends. I received that night, which he received that night, and this incident became the starting point of my career as an athlete, and this was the most important or the starting point of his career as an athlete. As part of our training, we had to run 6 miles every day. It was the part of the writer's training. They had to run 6 miles every day. I eagerly looked forward to the end of the practice sessions when we would get the promised glass of milk, and the writer eagerly wait for the end of the practice session. For what? He want to get a glass of milk which was promised to him. Our instructor was Havaldar Gurudev Singh, and their instructor means coach, was Havaldar Gurudev Singh, who had been with the army for about 15 years, and Gurudev Singh was in the army about 15 years. Although his task was to train new recruits, he was a good runner himself. The work of Gurudev Singh was to train the new soldiers, but he was himself a good runner, and he continued to participate in races, and he also continuously participated the races which was held in any place. It's all for today. Next part we will read in our next video.